Hi guys, welcome back to Dream UK. Today I have Suyash with me. He's from University of Essex and he's doing masters in artificial intelligence. So a lot of you were asking if you can apply for national insurance number without BRP. So basically Suyash reached out to me on LinkedIn and he said that he applied for his national insurance number without BRP. So we are going to go through the entire process and hear Suyash on how he applied for national insurance number on the basis of his visa vignette, because he didn't get any BRP and he won't be getting any BRP for some reason that he will be explaining in this video. So let's get started and let's listen the journey and story of Suyash. So Suyash, you can maybe now take the lead.
So my course started in Jan, and due to this COVID scenario, I came here in September, 14th of September. So I applied for my visa application in August 2021. So this happened like I didn't know this. Like most of the people don't know this. When you get your visa vignette on your passport, there are two types of visa vignette. One is valid for 90 days and the other one is valid for your entire stay. And that the one which you get for your entire stay, you probably get it for when your stay is probably less than 6 months or even 7 or 8 months. So my case was lying in the second one. So I got that second visa vignette for my entire stay. So it would expire on 17th of Feb 2022. So which is exactly 2 months after my course finishes. That is in December. So I didn't knew this thing, and I kept going to the post office for my BRP for 1 month or so. Like I went for five to six times. They said that BRPs are getting delayed, and you may try coming on next day or so, on in next week or so. Then after probably going for 1 month or so, I was a bit anxious that I am not having any NHS, and I also applied for a bank account here, and they rejected my application just because I didn't uploaded my BRP, which is not okay. Like you can also get your bank account without BRP. The concerning bank authority should have checked that, and they didn't did. But later on I had a chat with them, live chat with them, and told the each and everything to them, and then they agreed and then opened my account, which is an online account. So I contacted regarding this to my university visa and immigration department. Then they contacted regarding my case to the home office here in UK government. And and the reply they got was that the same, like I won't be getting any BRP because my stay is for less than 6 months. So people who think that you can't do anything here in UK without a BRP is a myth. Actually, you can get each and every service. It is also mentioned on their website, government of UK website, UKVI's website, that you can open your bank account here without your BRP. You can get NHS number without a BRP. You can even apply for NIN without a BRP. We'll come onto that topic next. And I haven't got the BRP and I won't be getting the BRP. I have got my NHS number. I'm having my bank account here. I have also applied for NIN, and I have also got the accommodation here, which you will be getting. And yeah, so that's it. That's all I wanted to say.
All right. So guys, basically, Suyash program started in January 2021, but he applied for his visa in August 2021 to come here because, there was a lockdown in the UK and because of the whole COVID situation, he didn't go to the UK in January 2021. So because he applied for visa in August, the duration that was left on his student visa was less than 6 months. So because of that, UKVI didn't generate a BRP for Suyash. Instead, the duration of the visa vignette, which is usually 90 days, was extended to the entire period of the student visa. So for his stay, the proof that he had was his visa vignette that was valid for the entire student visa period. So that's the thing. So if that's the case with you also, then you can apply for national insurance number. You can avail all these services here that require BRP. But since in this case, you won't be getting any BRP, then you can use your visa vignette as a proof in all of such applications. So that's the thing. And another point is, many of you were asking, since you haven't received your BRP yet, you're supposed to receive it in a month or so. And Suyash and I were talking about this, and he mentioned that some of the students are facing a delay in getting BRP. So if you're supposed to get it, but you haven't received it yet, then I'm not sure you will be able to apply for national insurance number on the basis of your visa vignette, because if you apply on the basis of your visa vignette, that is valid for approximately 3 months, and your national insurance number application could take up to 16 weeks. Yeah, 16 weeks, and that is 4 months. So it could be possible that your visa vignette might expire even before your national insurance application is processed. So in that case, it might create trouble for you. So what I will suggest you to get in touch with the immigration department of your university. Ask them that you have to apply for national insurance number, but you haven't received your BRP yet. So what's the right way to go about it? I don't think they will suggest you to apply for national insurance number on the basis of your visa vignette, just because of the reason I just mentioned. So do that, get in touch with the immigration service of your university, ask them when will you receive your BRP and when can you apply for national insurance number, and they will be able to guide you better. But if your case was similar to Suyash, where you were not supposed to get any BRP, then you can apply for national insurance number on the basis of your visa vignette only. So since many of you were asking this question, I thought of making this video, and actually Suyash reached out to me on LinkedIn, and he said that many of the students are, facing this issue, and he would like to come forward and help others. So Suyash, too, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. And
And one more point
yeah,
I want to mention here, that what I faced while applying the job here, a part-time job here, my employer was asking for a BRP, which I wouldn't be getting. So I told him that I won't be getting a BRP. So he asked me for NNIN number. So I told him that I am not having an NNIN number also. It would probably take 16 weeks, which is 4 months. So then he told me that do one thing, apply for the NIN and provide me with the reference number. You get an NIN reference number. So that NIN reference number is quite helpful. So whichever employer asks you for an NIN, and you won't be getting it any soon, so you can just mention your NIN number, probably apply for the NIN, just mention your NIN reference number there, like it is a proof that you have applied for NIN and you would be
yeah,
getting it.
yeah. So I
So you
didn't know about
provide
it.
that
Yeah,
reference number to them.
that's new info for me as well. So that's good. I mean, if you guys are applying for part-time job and you don't have your national insurance number, then maybe national insurance application reference number might work for you. So yeah, that's a good point. That's a good point.
So
And
you can't mention that reference number as your NIN number, but you can,
yeah, you
like, it's
can't
a proof
mention. You
that you
can
have
talk to
applied.
you can talk to the employer and ask them if it's possible for you to, show the proof of your application. And if they will agree, then you might get the part-time work opportunity. So that's all for today's video. If you guys have any questions for Suyash, let me know in the comment section below. Maybe we can plan making another video with Suyash in the future. He has
Yeah,
done masters in artificial intelligence from University of Essex. So if you want to, learn more about the program he's doing, the modules he studied, and now he's working on his dissertation because he took January intake. So if you have any questions with regards to January intake, maybe I'll request Suyash to make another video with me. So let me know if you guys have any of such questions. That's all for today's video. I would like to thank Suyash on your behalf and on my behalf. He came forward and asked me to make this video. So
Bye, Dimitri.
thank you so much, man. Again, I really, really appreciate it. That's all for today. See you guys soon in the next video. Bye.